man, so hope everybody have a good Sunday. So today I'm gonna go do for dinner. Sunday dinner we're gonna fry some fish. So as you can see, me have some fish in here at all. All these jackfish. Yep. So them not scale it. Me I do now, me have scale on them fish, clean them up, fry them down. See me? Cut up some onion in it. Cut up some onion with vinegar and pepper and make some escovitch sauce and all that. So fry some festival with that as well. You never complete unless you have this festival. So we have festival mix, Grace festival mix. Go fry this, make some festival, you know. Alright, so we go fry, clean up the fish them now, and then we get back to you. Alright people, so as you can see, me I start clean up the fish them now, you know. You can have a look. Scale them in another bag here, then we just throw away bag, you know. I don't know if I clean him properly, but not like nothing leave back in my fish, you see. So they clean good. Alright, so go finish clean these up and get back to now, alright? Alright everybody, so as you can see, me done clean up the fish, done scale them and everything now, so I'm gonna wash them off, put them in a basin and season up and put some lime and thing on it, wash them off and then season up, you know? Yeah man, so take a look. Get the camera angle right for you guys, so you can see what I'm doing, no? Alright. So you can see the scale. Go to clean me up and now to get rid of them season up and ready to go, you know? Yeah man. Sure they can clean out good and everything. So now what we are doing, I wash it off, wash them off with some lime, you know. Yeah, you know, buy some lime at the supermarket. He's big, so probably about 2 of them can work. Alright, so I wash these out in lime water now. Put them down so we can fry them up now. Alright everyone, so now I start seasoning up the fish them, yeah? Put some seasoning thing, start seasoning them up. Put on my frying pan with oil and everything and get back to you, alright? Okay. Alright everybody, so right now I'm not no fish season. So I'm gonna use this meat seasoning, Caribbean Sunshine meat seasoning. This can pretty much cook everything. Understand? So we're gonna sort this out now. Put in a plate, season up the fish them, you know. The frying pan I'm gonna use is a big square frying pan, so I'm gonna put some oil in that, make it go on hot. And then we can get the pot bubbling, you know. Alright. Get me oil. So this is the oil. I don't know fish are fry, so I put a good amount because I don't want it to stick. And I want it to penetrate at least when I put many fish up on one side, can cover half a fish. Put the oil in there. It go on hot. Don't matter if you want to throw a little or more, but you can have it probably throw more as you go along as the fish are soak up the oil when you fry. Alright, that should be good enough for now. Then we can add more as we add more fish to it. Alright, put this down now, put it right here, and I'm gonna pour the seasoning in a plate where I can get to it easily to season the fish. I don't put any slice on the fish as yet. I'm gonna put slices on there so it holds the seasoning. I'm gonna see what I'm talking about pretty soon. Oh yeah, before now I'm gonna make escovitch sauce, which is gonna put onion in there, hot pepper and vinegar. So I have everything here. I have vinegar, hot pepper and onion. So you're gonna cut these up, put it in a little container, let that soak a little bit so we can put that on our fish when you're eating later on. Cook this in the meantime while the oil is getting hot. I'm gonna put it in a small container, this one. Normally people use glass bottles, but I'm gonna use something small because I don't need a lot. So you're not seeing me right now because I'm over here stripping the onions. cut them like in rings so we can at least put it on the fish when you're eating. You don't want to cut these in small chops, you want to have them in rings. I'm going to cut these right here, right here. You can see. You're supposed to be saying my knife is dull. Yes, it is. It needs to be sharpened. Really needs to be sharpened. See, I cut them in rings like this, so I just put them on the fish when I'm eating. Separate them. Alright, that seems like enough. Well, it's a lot of fish, so. Alright, I'm gonna check on my oil over here. Sorry that you can't see me when I'm moving around, but it's hard for me to walk around with the camera as I have to be grabbing stuff. I have no one right now to assist me with the camera, so please bear with me. Alright, now it's time for me to cut my hot peppers. Let me go ahead and wash it before I put it in there. Cut this up real smooth, cut this up inside. Please be careful with this, people. Pepper is very hot. If you attempt to do this, please be careful when using these peppers and stuff. They're really hot. So what you want to do is get some seeds from the pepper. Make sure that's inside there, because that's where most of the heat comes from. Spice, hot, very hot. I guarantee you, if you don't believe me, I eat these a lot, so seed, oh man, that's where the heat comes from. Was gonna add 2, but I guess this one should be enough, but I need it really spicy, so I'm gonna put 2. I need this really spicy, so I think 2 should be good enough. That's a lot of pepper, people, but that's how I like my food, spicy, really spicy. Get my hands cleaned up here before I touch anything else. Gotta clean these things really good. Don't want anyone to come around here and touch anything with pepper on there, and then I'm gonna get blamed for that. Alright, so oil is hot. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do now is start seasoning my fish and get it on the fire. So I'm gonna pour some vinegar on here. Just watch. We're gonna leave this to sit in this bowl right here. Cover it up. Later on, you're gonna see this thing. Oh man! And this soaks in there. It's gonna be real nice. Put a tad bit of this sweet seasoning to give it a little salt taste. That's enough. I'm gonna turn this around a little bit. I'm gonna leave this here and let it soak. That's gonna be our escovitch sauce. Alright, let me get this out of the way. So I'm gonna start seasoning the fish, and alright everyone, so now I'm gonna start seasoning the fish and put them in the oil. Alright, start frying. We're gonna cut some slices right here so the seasoning can penetrate through the fish right here. Alright, so I just put 2 on the side, 1 here on the left, 1 on the right. Let's start seasoning. Put it in the crack right here that I just created. Put it on the outside, on the inside, and then we're gonna start frying. My fish and stuff seasoned properly, so I'm gonna season this very good. I don't need too much, just enough. So as you can see, I'm gonna season in this direction, because in this way these things on the top can accidentally stick you in your finger, which happened to me earlier. So just giving you a heads up. Alright, so guess what? This one is ready to go in the oil. Bye bye fish. Time for you to fry. Let me get my hands clean here so I can hold the camera for you guys so you can get a look of what I'm doing here. Alright. Okay. So here we are. Gonna put in the first one. Alright. Get him right here. So we're gonna turn the stove down. Let him fry in there, you know. That's it right there. That's the first one in the oil. So I'm gonna get my thing to turn it. Alright, so this is what I'm gonna use to turn my fish. And I'm not going to turn it as yet, I'm just going to set it right here so I can put a second fish. Alright, so that's the first one. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and season the rest, get some of them in there, and then I'll get back to you guys, alright? Alright everyone, so as you can see, we got the fishes frying here. One of them's almost done, the other one's I just put that in there, so you can see they're on the fire right now. The other one's almost ready to go in. Alright, so stay tuned, I'm going to show you as soon as these are done frying, give you a nice look. Then I'm going to do the festival next. Alright. Alright everybody, so giving a nice update on the fish them. So as you can see, only 2 left out of the 8 of them we have. Only 2 leave. And 3 down, 3 done fry, and then we have 3 in a frying pan around an hour, no? So soon done. So we mix up my festival, the dough, have it right here. So next up is festival we fry, no? Alright, so we soon gonna mix up it again. Just giving you a rundown of what going on, no? Update. See that? Frying pan and everything around. Soon done, man. Alright everybody, so we're there now. Now as you can see, in a bowl right here, so we have a flour. Sorry, the festival dough mix up. Right now we have put some dry flour in a plate, and then we can mix the festival then and fry it nice and golden, you know. Alright, so see dough here. Yeah, pinch off it little by little and put in a flour here, so make it get a little grip so you can stick in your hand, make it. And then we put it on in a frying pan. So right now I put it very hot, and then we get back to you now. Alright, so stick around, don't go nowhere. Last set of fish this a fry, and this done already. Alright, so we do here, so the flour, the oil are hot right here now. So when that hot, go and spin up the dough, them drop in the little by little, you know. So when you are asleep, do that. Do that. The cheese. Diggy 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 diggy. Yeah, laugh. Diggy 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 diggy. 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 Alright everybody, so you see the festival them are fry up now, you know. One more item. Alright everybody, so you see everything done. Fish fry festival ready, you know. So alright, that's our Sunday dinner. Today is March 2nd or 3rd. Alright, this is our Sunday dinner. So alright everybody, so as you can see, done cook in our room now. We're not supposed to eat in our room, but obviously we just feel we can chill and eat and watch TV. So my wife no eat fish head, so as you can see, me have a piece of fish head right here, and my fish there, so with escovitch sauce and pepper and onion. Escovitch sauce here, no pepper, no onion, but see, it look nice with the festival. This is our Sunday dinner today, huh? Today is March 3rd, and we're there eat some fish and festival. Alright, peace out, and remember, please like, share and subscribe. Out.